In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send messages from Telegram to WhatsApp quickly and easily. This is a simple workflow that can save you time when you want to move important text, notes, links, or updates from one app to the other without retyping everything manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop and find the message you want to send. You can use any conversation you like, whether it's a personal chat, a group, or a channel message. Once you've found the exact message, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, select Copy Text if you want to move the message itself into WhatsApp. If you want to share a preview instead, you can copy the message link, depending on what works best for your situation. Now that the message text is copied, open WhatsApp Desktop or WhatsApp Web. Both options work, so use whichever one you prefer. On the left side, choose the chat where you want to send the message. This could be a friend, family member, co-worker, or group chat. Once the conversation is open, click inside the message box at the bottom of the screen. Now simply paste the text you copied from Telegram into the WhatsApp message box. You can use the right-click menu and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut if that's faster for you. After the text appears in the box, take a quick moment to review it and make sure everything looks correct. If you copy the link instead of plain text, this is also the point where you can paste it into the chat so the recipient can open the preview. When you're ready, press enter to send the message. That's it. The message from Telegram is now sent into WhatsApp. It's a very straightforward process, but it can be incredibly useful if you're sharing information across platforms, especially when you want to keep things quick and organized. If you need to send multiple messages, just repeat the same process. Go back to Telegram, copy the next message, return to WhatsApp, paste it into the chat, and press enter again. It's a simple habit that can make cross-app communication much easier. And that's how you send messages from Telegram to WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.